Lily does it again. She talked us into redoing her bedroom yet again. So as most of you know, we live in 2 homes. Half of the year we live up in northern Utah, and right now we are in our other house in southern Utah. So if you saw the other video of her bedroom makeover, it's way different than this one. This room used to have some wallpaper all over the back. She used to love it. It was totally her thing. Like 5 years ago when we moved into this home, it was an underwater ocean scene with dolphins. She loves dolphins, but she's a teenager now, which means we had to redo her room again. But as you guys know, I kind of enjoy doing it. The only hard part was removing the wallpaper, which I had Sean do. So I was kind of waiting, just like I had to wait for Sean to paint Lily's room in Salt Lake in order for me to redo it and decorate it, because that's the fun part for me. I had to wait for Sean to remove the wallpaper for us so that we could revamp this bedroom for her, make it more teenage friendly. Put some elbow grease into it, Sean. Good job. You're a really good worker.
Why are you always filming me?
They just removed all the dolphin ocean scene wallpaper. I know, it's so sad. And I'm so excited with the way it turned out, because you know, as teenagers, you love your friends. Like, friends are everything, right? And so I was really excited about printing out some canvas prints of Lily and her friends. They have so much fun together, and so it's just, I feel like this room totally fits her personality right now. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I think she's really happy with it as well. So let me give you a little tour, and as always, I will provide the links to everything in this room in the description of this video. So thanks again for watching, you guys. Lily's other bedroom makeover video, her Salt Lake bedroom, is my most popular video here on my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys will like this one just the same. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'm happy to answer any questions. Be sure to subscribe, because I'm always redoing new bedrooms in this house and in our Salt Lake house. It's very enjoyable for me to do this. So if you want to see more videos like this, I have a whole playlist already, tons of other bedrooms that I've already done, and I will continue to be doing more. And Lily really hates it when I dance, so I'm totally gonna dance, because I gotta be me, you know? So I'm dancing it up in her room. I don't even care. She's not home, so I'm gonna dance like crazy.
Alright, listen.
Hi, girls. What do you like most about Lily's room?
I'm still not gonna
The pictures, yes.